Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the headphones and placing them close to your phone or computer. Hold the designated pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. That indicates pairing mode. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your device and keep it visible. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off or away to avoid interference, because multiple signals confuse the process. This initial step readies both devices so they can discover one another quickly and reliably. On your device, open Bluetooth settings and start a scan. Your Logitech model should appear in the list. You tap or click that name to initiate the link, and often a confirmation dialog, or PIN, appears. Accept or enter the default if requested. Once you select the headset, the device negotiates profiles like audio and microphone so sound routes correctly. Make sure to watch for a confirmation tone or LED change on the headphones, because that tells you the connection succeeded. After pairing, open your system sound settings and make the Logitech headset the active output and input so apps use it. If you don't hear audio or the mic fails, power off the headphones and perform a reset by holding the pairing button for 10 seconds, then re-enter pairing mode and try again. If problems persist, update firmware via the Logitech app. Updates fix compatibility and stability. Finally, make sure distance and obstructions aren't blocking the Bluetooth signal, because proximity matters.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.